Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Dana, and I am a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, you will be learning about family. 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 This is a family. Good job. Hi, Cam. He is Cam. Hi, Carly. Sister. Sister. She is Cam's sister. Hi, Chris. Brother. Brother. He is Cam's brother. Siblings. Siblings. They are Cam's siblings. Good job. How many siblings do you have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? You have 10 siblings? Whoa! Hi, Carol. Mother. Mother. She is Cam's mother. Hi, Charlie. Father. Father. He is Cam's father. Parents. Parents. They are Cam's parents. Good job. Hi, Mary. Aunt. Aunt. She is Cam's aunt. She is Charlie's sister. Good job. Hi, Mo. Uncle. Uncle. He is Cam's uncle. Hey, Peter. He is Cam's uncle. He is Carol's brother. Hi, Martha. Cousin. Cousin. She is Cam's cousin. How many cousins do you have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20? You have 20 cousins? Whoa! Hi, Rosie. Grandmother. Grandmother. She is Cam's grandmother. Ah, she is Carol's mother. Good job. Hey, Rick. Grandfather. Grandfather. He is Cam's grandfather. He is Carol's father. Good job. Grandparents. Grandparents. They are Cam's grandparents. Good job. How many grandparents do you have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11? Okay. This is Cam's family. Sister. Brother. Siblings. Mother. Father. Parents. Aunt. Uncle. Cousin. Grandmother. Grandfather. Grandparents. Whoa! Good job! For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!